Huge waterspout spinning high as deluge of floods hits New Orleans. Frightening footage shows a huge waterspout over Lake Pontchartrain, New Orleans, as the area prepares for the life-threatening tropical storm Barry to make landfall. New Orleans residents have been warned to shelter in their homes and stock up supplies as the dangerous and life-threatening tropical storm Barry nears. A horrifying video shows a waterspout stretching high into the clouds as the area was hit with flooding.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.